Bonjour Beautiful. We're going to be clubbing again, so I'm going to use another belly dance move that I love using in a club when I go clubbing, and which is not often. So here it goes. One of the most basic belly dance step that we do, you could travel or you could do it on the spot, is called the step touch. Step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. But of course in belly dance we go step, touch, step, touch. We can move forward, add some hip lift. You could bring it around. Side, step, touch, step, touch. So you're really just touching the tip of your toes with the ball of your foot and putting some pressure, boom, so to help to lift your hip. Now, clubbing, I do a little different variation to it. I like to kind of just do my step, but depending on the music, again, if the rhythm is kind of deep, which the song I'm going to use, it has kind of like a nice down beat where you feel like you're going to go down, down. So you're going to flex the knees. So let's just flex the knees. We're going to go down, bend the knees, flex, then up, flex, up, go one side, and then to the other. So now you're going to shift the weight on the right, flex, and add a little touch on the ball of your feet. So all the weight is really on the right, and you're tapping the right foot, left foot. And then now you're going to shift, go up, the straight leg, bend, and shift the weight on the left, and now tap the right foot. Straight, flex, tap, up, down, up, tap, up, tap. So notice when you tap, you flex the knees at the same time. Both feet, weight on both feet, shift the weight on the right, tap, up, tap, up, tap, up, tap, up, tap, up, down, tap, up, down, tap, up, down, tap. Really flex those knees when you tap the toe. Now we're doing all of this on the spot. This is also known like maybe the two-step. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. And now you could go forward with that. Instead of doing everything on the spot, you can move forward. Step, toe, and bring it down. Go back. Step, toe, step back, together, step, together. Now on the spot, same thing, but go around yourself. Now instead of keeping that toe tap close to the other foot, bring it out. So step, out, step, out, step, out. But I'm still flexing when I touch. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Really simple. In between, you could kind of just, if you looked at the other video where I'm just kind of rolling the ball heel, ball heel, ball heel. This is a video we did with the arm movement and adding a rolling of the feet. I'm always rolling my feet, and this is a really nice kind of Latin move too. So it's ball, heel, rolling from the ball to the heel. And knees are relaxed, knees are flexed and relaxed. And then sometimes if I don't want to roll, I could just sway my hips side to side. So in between, and then I want to go back to the step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, up, down, and let's do this with some music. So this is a little bit more different than doing the belly dance, but it is a belly dance movement in a club fashion style. All right, let's dance with music.
Deep